Hi to all, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for stylish, comfortable and affordable women's footwear this season, today video is for you. I am unboxing the Relaxo Awesome Collection 2026, sharing my honest review and showing you why this could be your next favorite pair. Plus don't miss the exciting end of season sale with up to 50% off. Let's get started. So guys, here the Relaxo package, and the package is neat, secure. Let's open it together. And my first impression is amazing. The footwear looks elegant and modern and perfect for both daily wear and festive occasion. I really love the color combination and premium finish. Let's take a closer look at the detail. The stitching is clean, straps looks sturdy and the sole feels durable. At first glance, the quality is really impressive. Now let's talk about the what makes this footwear stand out. First, it's incredible lightweight, making it comfort to wear throughout the day, and the cushioning foot bed feels soft and provide good comfort while walking. The sole offers nice grip, helping you walk confidently and different surfaces. The design is stylish, versatile. You can pair it with kurti, sari, jeans, and dresses, or any festive outfits. The finishing looks premium, giving a fashionable appearances without to being overly expensive. Overall, it's a great combination of style, comfort, and practicality. After checking every detail and trying them on, I can honestly say I am impressed. They feel so comfortable from the very first wear, and the fit is nice. The cushioning is soft, and the design is trendy enough for everyday use as well as festive celebration. If you are searching for footwear that looks good without compromising on comfort, this collection is definitely worth considering. And here the best part, Relaxo end of season offers up to 50% off, making it is a great opportunity to shop for yourself or your loved one while saving monies. And that was my unboxing and honest review of the Relaxo Awesome Collection 2026. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more unboxing, honest product review, shopping haul, and lifestyle content. I would love to hear from you. Tell me in the comment which feature matters most to you, style, comfort, or price. Thank you for so much for watching. Have a wonderful festive season, happy shopping, and I will see you in the next video, guys. If you want to purchase this product, link, then actual link is description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, guys. Thank you for watching my video.